Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to make my computer dark theme. Here are the steps to make your Windows PC use dark theme. First, turn on your PC and go to your desktop. Click the Start menu, the Windows icon. Select Settings, click your icon. In the Settings window, click Personalization. On the left sidebar, click Colors. Scroll down to the section labeled Choose Your Mode. Click the drop down menu. Choose Dark to apply a full system wide dark mode. Wait a second for a theme to change across the system. If you want partial custom control, just select Custom instead. Under Custom, choose Dark for Windows mode. Then choose Dark again for App mode. Scroll further and enable transparency effects if you want a softer look. Close the settings window. Your PC is now in dark theme. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.